2 minutes from the closing bell, kicking the month of August off with some losses. Ines Ferre has a closer look. Ines.
Yeah, Shauna, and some choppy trading today. We saw the Dow, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ lower this morning, and then it went higher into green territory, and now it's back in the red. So let's take a look at where we're going to end the session. We're looking at the Dow right now that's down about 41 points, the NASDAQ down about 0.2%, and the S&P 500, again, had been in the green earlier this morning, and it's down about 0.2%. Looking at the sectors, we're watching energy, which has been the decliner throughout the day. You've also got real estate declining. You are looking at consumer staples that are in the green and consumer discretionary in the green. If we look at the Dow, we're watching Procter & Gamble that's up 3% today. Boeing is the one that really is outperforming today, up more than 6% after that Dreamliner approval headline. And then just looking at the NASDAQ 100, we are watching Alphabet that's down 1%. Tesla earlier this morning had been up more than 4%, lost those gains throughout the day. It's set to close slightly higher. Also, Amazon had been up more than 2.5% earlier this morning. Again, losing some of those gains today, set to close the session up about 0.4%. We're watching NVIDIA that's up 1.5%. And I do want to mention also what's been happening with the electric vehicle space, because we have been watching NIO today up more than 2%.